With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Everyone, let's solve the question. Which of the following does not happen during embryogenesis? Now, embryogenesis is what? It is the formation of embryo. Alright. So let's very briefly look at all the steps that takes place during embryogenesis. Okay. Now what happens is that during copulation, the semen is injected in the female's body and this is called as insemination. Alright. Now this semen consists of the male gamete, that is sperms. Alright. So the sperms will move in the female reproductive tract and they will go to the ampullary region of fallopian tube. Alright. Here the ovaries also release the ovum. Okay. Now our ovum consists of what? It has an outer layer of zona pellucida, right? Now when the sperms enter this zona pellucida, it brings changes in the zona pellucida. Alright, that is, it does not allow other sperms to enter the zona pellucida. Okay, now what happens is that secondary meiotic division takes place in the secondary oocyte. Alright, so now our meiosis is complete. Okay, secondary oocyte will divide to form what? It will form a haploid ooted, which is our ovum, right? As well as it will form a secondary polar body. Okay. Now the sperm that entered the zona pellucida, it will fuse with the nucleus of the haploid ooted and what they will form? They will form a zygote. Okay. And this zygote is now diploid. So this process where the sperm and the ovum fuse together to form a zygote is called as fertilization. Okay. Now fertilization is complete, right? Now as fertilization takes place, this zygote will undergo various divisions. Alright. Let's look at the diagram here. The zygote is quickly undergoing various division. Okay. And this type of special division that the zygote undergoes is mitosis. Alright. Also, special type of mitotic division takes place, which is called as cleavage. Okay. So, cleavage is a type of mitotic division in which what will happen? The zygote will form 2-cell stage, 4-cell stage, 8-cell stage, 16, 32 and so on. Alright. So let's again look at the diagram here. Okay. Now our zygote divides. First cleavage will take place. It will form a 2-cell stage, right? Then further it will form the 4-cell stage. Alright. And all these cells are called as the blastomeres. Okay, these cells are called as blastomeres. So mitosis is taking place. Okay, and why this is called as cleavage? Because there is no cell growth. The cytoplasmic growth is not taking place. Alright, only the division of cell and the cells are multiplying. Alright, so the stage now here morula forms. Morula is what? It is the 8 to 16 cell stage. Okay. After morula looks like a mulberry, that's why it's named as morula. Alright, after morula, a stage forms which is called as the blastocyst stage. Okay, this blastocyst stage, what happens in the blastocyst stage? In the blastocyst stage, this gets cell differentiation will occur. Alright. Till now, all the cells were having the same function, okay? But now the cell differentiation occurs in the blastocyst stage, and we have two types of cells, okay? One type of cells are called as the trophoblast. These trophoblasts make the outer lining of the embryo, alright? And then we have inner cell mass. And this inner cell mass, what they will form the embryo, okay? This inner cell mass is also called as the embryoblast, and this trophoblast, what it does is that it provides nutrition to the inner cell mass, as well as it fuses with the endometrium at the time of implantation, okay? So we have seen what is all is taking place during the embryogenesis. Okay, so let's look at the options that are given to us. The first is cell multiplication. So that is also happening during embryogenesis, right? Cells are cleavage is taking place and cells are multiplying, right? 8 cells from a single cell zygote. We have a 2 cell stage, then 4 cell stage, then 8, 16, 32 and so on, right? So cell multiplication is taking place. That is what, this is not our answer. Then cell differentiation, that also we see, right? In the zygote, in the blastocyst stage of the zygote, what happens is cell differentiation takes place. We have trophoblast and inner cell mass, right? And this inner cell mass then divides further to form the embryo, alright? So this is also not our answer. Then equation division. Equation division is what basically? It is mitosis. So that we have already seen that mitosis is taking place in the form of cleavage. So this is also happening during embryogenesis. So this is also not our answer. And the last is reduction division. Now what is reduction division? It is meiosis, okay? But meiosis is occurring only before fertilization in the secondary oocyte, right? Not after fertilization. Therefore, during embryogenesis, reduction division does not take place. Therefore, this is our correct answer. Okay, option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.